few days ago. Before we get into this video, sure to like, sure to leave a like, sure to subscribe, be sure to hit that notification button so that whenever we drop, you're the first to know. Sure to leave a comment. Tell me what you think about the song, about my videos, about my channel, and be sure to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about Afro Base TV, Afro Base Reaction. Before without wasting much time, let's not talk too much. Let's get into this video. Let's see what Daniel has for us.